Well, welcome. Welcome to me. I'm trying to do my dishes and I just keep being visited today by the wildlife. I think I might be Snow White. Well, not really Snow White because I don't have the dark black hair. I got like red hair. What am I? Snow red. Fuck. I'm Snow Red. Ah, ah, ah. Oh, look, there's your friend. Hello, friend. You gonna stick your head down? Hello? Hello, friend. Do you guys want food? You want some food? You hungry? How do I make your noise? What's your noise? I'm my friend. Ah, ah, ah. I'll get you some food. Let's get you some food. Well, here we are. Alright, I got some food, right? You want some? Oh, you want some? Alright, ready? Here you go. Here you are, you little friendly little thing. Oh, you're so beautiful, you little parrot. You know I'm feeding you guinea pig food, right? You like that shit? There you go. There you go. Nom 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 nom. Oh, you're just so cute. Oh, you're just so cute. Oh, you're just so cute. You're just gonna come right over and say hello. You're gonna say hello. Oh, look at little cutie. Oh my gosh. You want some more? Oh, you want some more? Oh, look. Bowerbirds come. Wow, mate. Fucking welcome to Snow Red, hey? Ah, ah, ah. That's from Enchanted, that song, you know, when she calls all the animals. And I tell you, that's actually really hard to sing. So, you know, I mean, I can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. All right, there we go. There we go. Oh, you're a little pig. Quick, everyone, come over. He's going to eat it all. Quick, 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 quick. Come, come. Yes, that's it.